Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be getting into sandblasting these propane tanks. So as you can kind of see, we masked up all the valves on the top there and we're going to get started. So as you guys can see, this project was from a while ago. I did lie. I was really trying to get the truck painting video out, but I just didn't have the time. This week was crazy with work. So the reason that we do these is every year these things get inspected and there can only be a certain amount of corrosion on them. And when they fail, then we gotta sandblast and paint them. So what we're doing here is we're flipping the tanks onto the side so that way we can do the bottom. You can kind of roll it, do any position that you kind of want. It makes it a lot easier. So these tanks are honestly some of the most satisfying work that I do, of the continuous projects that I do. Just usually they look absolutely terrible and there's usually a lot of rust on them. So when you can transform them and make them look like brand new and just smooth, it's just super satisfying, honestly. of the day here. It looks like it's really not that dark, but it was kind of getting fairly dark, and we were running out of daylight, and we were really trying to get these things done by the end of the day because it was only supposed to get cold for the next couple days, and it was like minus 20 already. It was cold enough. When the sun goes down, it only gets colder. So if you did stay to the end of this video, next video is going to be the painting of the semi warranty claim. And I am actually going to be doing a giveaway in that video, so if you guys do stay tuned for that video, please check it out. And last but not least, guys, I really do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.